In this video, I will show you how to pin text to a moving object in CapCut PC. This is a great way to make text follow an object throughout your video. First, import your video into CapCut and place it on the timeline. Next, go to the text section and click the plus icon to add a text layer. Type the number you want to display above the car. You can then customize the font, add a border, choose a color, and adjust the size to make it stand out. Once you're done, position the number directly above the car and resize it as needed. Now, with the text selected, go to the Tracking section and click Motion Tracking. Place the yellow tracking box over the car that you want the number to follow. After that, click Start and wait for CapCut to analyze the movement. Once the tracking process is complete, the number will automatically follow the car throughout the video. That's how you can easily pin text to a moving car in CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel